No sign of relief for millions of Americans currently bearing the brunt of rising inflation. The Fed chair has said that taming inflation will inflict pain on American families and businesses.
Reducing inflation is likely to require a sustained period of below-trend growth. Moreover, there will very likely be some softening of labor market conditions. While higher interest rates, slower growth, and softer labor market conditions will bring down inflation, they will also bring some pain to households and businesses.
Powell delivered a strong message at the annual gathering of central bankers in Jackson Hole in Wyoming. He said the Feds will likely impose more large interest rate hikes in coming months and is resolutely focused on controlling the highest inflation in 4 decades. The announcement comes as a disappointment to American investors who hope the Feds will moderate the interest rate hikes later this year. The U.S. Federal Reserve has been on an aggressive campaign to raise interest rates, and Powell made it clear that the fight against inflation is not over. The Fed has hiked interest rates 4 times this year, including the massive 3/4 point rise in June and July, and the current interest rates at the range of 2.25 to 2.5% are unheard of since the early 1980s. At the gathering, the Fed chair reiterated that another 3/4 point increase can be appropriate at the September policy meeting.
We believe that action is appropriate. We continue to see sustained.
In current circumstances, with inflation running far above 2% and the labor market extremely tight, estimates of longer-run neutral are not a place to pause or stop. July's increase in the target range was the second 75 basis point increase in as many meetings, and I said then that another unusually large increase could be appropriate at our next meeting. We are now about halfway through the intermeeting period. Our decision at the September meeting will depend on the totality of the incoming data and the evolving outlook.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.